This lesson is going to be more of an introduction. We're going to get into our last unit for the year, which is dealing with linear equations and really diving into algebra a little bit more as far as x, y, and different variables and different equations. So the idea is this: linear equation, the root word in linear is the word line. So what we're trying to do is take a problem and find different solutions for it. What's going to be different about this is there's going to be multiple solutions. We get out of the area of, 2 plus 3, the only answer is 5. That's the only one answer that I have. Where in this case, I might have multiple answers. So the problem's going to look different, and I'm going to have multiple answers from there. For this assignment, you're simply taking a look at a situation, you're going to fill in a chart, and then we're going to graph this chart. And then we're going to use our graph to answer some questions from there. So, Jim has 3 at day 1. Now, 3 what? I don't care. $3, 3 cats, 3 pencils. That's not as important as using the process from here. So, understanding he's starting at 3. That's what he comes into this problem with. From there, he gets 2 more every day. Okay, so this is where it's going to change depending on what day I'm talking about. So we're going to take our chart. This is going to end up being an X and a Y chart. Days and the number of items that I have. So on day 0, how many things did Jim have? Well, Jim had 3 at day 0. So go on my number, he had 3. Again, 3 what? Doesn't matter. Now, that's one answer. On day 0, he had 3. What about day 1? Well, he started with 3, but every day he gets 2 more. How many does he have now on day 1? Well, he started with 3, the next day he got 2 more, so now he has 5. Okay, that's another answer. So on day 0 he had 3, that's a correct answer. By the way, answers that make this problem true are called solutions. Solutions are numbers that make the sentence or the problem true. Just like 5 makes the sentence 2 plus 3 true. All right, let's go back. 0 days, $3. 1 day, $5. On the next day, he got 2 more. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And what you'll notice is a pattern going vertically as well. I could continue my pattern from here, or I could continue to say, okay, on day 2 he had 7, day 3 he should now have 9, or I could go 3, 5, 7, 9, this should now be 11. Okay, halfway there. What you have to understand is this table, my x first then y, actually is what an ordered pair is. Put a parenthesis, put a comma in the middle, so this is a solution to my problem. But it's also an ordered pair, 0, 3. So go to my graph, 0 sideways, 3 up, 1, 2, 3. Put a point. So this point now becomes an answer to this problem. So it's not just a point, it's not just an ordered pair, it's actually an answer to the problem. My next ordered pair or solution is 1, 5. 1 right, 5 up, 1 right, 5 up. So what I'm going to do is graph all of my solutions here. 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11. And if you'll notice the pattern, each time on the x, I move over 1. I move right 1. Okay? And in the y direction, I move up 2. So the next one over is 3, 9. Oh, 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11. And what you'll notice is this will start making a pattern. Right? My pattern is a line, which is a linear equation. So let's take a look at my pattern. In the y direction, I went up 2 every time. So I went up 2, and I bumped over 1. Up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1. Now I can continue this pattern. Even though my table stops at 4, I could keep going. Follow my pattern. Up 2, over 1, 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 up 2, over 1. And you'll get a line to form. Now I can also go the other way. I've been going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. What's the absolute reverse of that? Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 right 1, up 2 right 1. What's the reverse of up 2 right 1? The reverse would be down 2 left 1, down 2 left 1. And it's not the scale, but down 2 left 1, down 2 left 1, down 2 left 1, down 2 left 1. If I do this right, all of my dots, my ordered pairs, my solutions, my answers to this one problem should be in a straight line. Now from here you could say, okay, well, let's use my graph. What would day 6 be? What if the question said, okay, how much will he have on day 6? Okay, I could go over and I could say, okay, where's 6? And I could go up to my line and go over, and I would be able to find my answer. Just like we used to do with our best fit lines when we would do our scatter plots, dots here and there, we would make our prediction. Oh, here's my number. Travel up to your line, find that spot, and go over. So this is this assignment. Read the problem, fill in your chart. Remember, these solutions are also ordered pairs. Graph out as many as you can, and then continue your pattern. And then reverse your pattern. Go backwards with it. And from there, then you'll answer some questions. So find the number of days that you want to find, go up to your line, go over, and figure out how many they have at that time. Good luck.